Hey guys, we are heading out for an adventurous camping trip at Ramnagra. We found a place called Campfire Circle, which offers a great scenic view of majestic hills, lakes, and lush greenery. This is our first camping trip together, so we are very excited. Let's get started. Took the Kengeri exit on the Nice Road and entered Bangalore-Mysore Highway. There's a lot of construction going on, so always better to start early. We took a turn after Biridi because there was a lot of slow moving traffic on the main highway. Inside route is taking us through several villages and the roads are really good, and check out these beautiful farms and hills on the way to the campfire circle. Village side roads will lead you to NH3 and you'll see an arch which is the entry point for our camp, and it says Sri Revanna Siddheshwara Swami Kshetra Mahadwara. The main road, you'll notice a signboard which says Camp Circle and the direction. You need to make a right turn from here and the muddy road starts. Due to monsoon, a small portion of mud road got washed off, so we got a little confused and missed this turn. So watch out, it's a left turn after Mango Resort. Hey guys, we have reached our campsite. There is huge parking space, enough for lots of vehicles, and it is nice weather today. I think it is going to be a lot of fun. They have direct lake access, as you can see here, and look at those majestic hills making a beautiful backdrop. It is a place of such scenic beauty. We are going to go inside now and start the fun activities. So let's go. We just got back from kayaking. It was very fun. It was really good. Such a beautiful scenic mountains and lush green. We also did zip lining. It was very exhilarating. It was a short ride, but it was a lot of fun. If you come as a family or group, they also have rain dance. You can enjoy a small rain dance with music and all. If you come with a group or outing, this is a very good place. They have rain dance here. They'll play music and you can dance and enjoy and have fun. Let me show you guys our tent. it has two layers. The outer layer is made of Rexine, so even if it rains, we are protected. The inner layer has a net for ventilation. They have lockers for your valuables. Also, do bring all your essential toiletries and mosquito repellent spray. Time for campfire. Definitely, it's a celebration. It feels so good. Whole resort for us and campfire exclusively for us with lots of music. So, we are having a lot of fun here. If you guys can travel on a weekday, that's how we were able to exclusively enjoy this resort for ourselves. Hey guys, we are back inside the tent now. It's little small for the two of us, but then I think it's very cozy and different. We are enjoying this different experience as well. And tomorrow in the morning itself we have trek, so we'll be going off to bed for the night. And tomorrow we'll show you guys how the trek went and what and all exploration we are doing. So bye for now. See you guys tomorrow. It was about 40-45 minutes to reach the top. Caves were also very beautiful. We are staying down at that resort and you can see a lot of hills and lake. That's SRS Hills. It's also really nice. That's a separate trek. So let's head down. Hey guys, we just came down from trekking. It was an amazing experience. We went for cave exploration and also we got multiple viewpoints. Everything was amazing, scenically beautiful. So all in all, the morning itself is very nice and we had an amazing trek. Hey guys, we came to have a calm and adventurous weekend. We most definitely had one. We are staying at Campfire Circle Resort in Ramnagara. They have direct connectivity to the lake with beautiful mountain backdrop. So we did kayaking. They also have zip lining. It was very adventurous. This is the first time for us trying out zip lining. And they also took us on a trek in the morning for some cave exploration. And during the trek, there were multiple viewpoints. Every one of them was so serene and beautiful. All in all, it was a very fun weekend. It was very adventurous. And I think now we are all ready to head back to Bangalore.
Hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe, like, share and comment. We'll see you on more such videos. Bye.